Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I will share a healthy recipe. We are going to make chicken wrap. Let's begin. To start with, prepare all ingredients you are going to need. Here I have chicken strips, vegetables, Caesar dressing, salt and pepper, mixed cheese and roll-up wraps. Firstly, season the chicken strips with salt and pepper. Make sure you season them thoroughly. Next, cut the vegetables into smaller pieces. Here I have lettuce and bell peppers, yellow and red. After the vegetables are cut, we are going to grill the chicken strips. Oops, seems like I put too much oil in it. Don't worry, I discarded it afterwards. Make sure you grill the chicken strips on medium heat. Here's the tip. Flip the chicken strips once one side is a bit white, so you can have that golden chicken strips. Once they are cooked, put them aside. While the chicken strips are still hot, drizzle the mixed cheese. Sorry, I forgot to record. In the meantime, lightly heat up the wrap. Oof! Put the wrap on a plate and begin placing the vegetables on it. Make sure you don't put too much so we can fold it easier. Place the chicken as well. You can add more cheese if you want. Drizzle the fillings with Caesar dressing. If you like it spicy, you can add more peppers. Last but not least, don't forget to fold it. Fold the wrap tightly so the fillings won't spill. Lastly, cut the wrap into two and place them on a plate. To make it look prettier, you can cut them diagonally. Now it is ready. Have it while it is still hot. I hope you can try this recipe at home. Tell me what you think. Thank you for watching. Bye!